Reimagine the future of buildings, of spaces, of work. A future where technology seamlessly integrates with our daily experiences, creating environments that optimize resources, enhance productivity, deliver sustainability, and foster well-being. Cohesion reimagines the connection between people and spaces, offering comprehensive solutions for buildings of all kinds, with unparalleled technology and unmatched expertise. So your occupants can seamlessly walk into a space that knows them, that's customized for them. A space that creates a valuable, purposeful experience and allows them to work at their best. All on one unified, secure, smart building platform. Our technology integrations seamlessly connect various systems, data, and software. Automate the busy work so you can focus on the human experience. Our cutting-edge data tools analyze and recognize patterns and trends, providing you with unrivaled reporting, guidance, and predictive insights to optimize your space usage, boost productivity, save costs, and create a resilient building environment. Cohesion's first-of-its-kind smart building platform, unmatched library of integrations, and end-to-end support ensures real results, sustainable outcomes, and tangible benefits. Optimize your space, create a place worth coming back to, and be ready for the future. What can we reimagine with you?